Assalamu alaikum. So before I give you the good news, very important 3 reminders. Okay. So we have Abdul Rahman here. He is a friend of Andy. So mashallah, he introduced him to Islam, which all of us can do. So we have a program coming up on October 22nd. It's going to be in person. We'll teach you how to initiate a conversation with your friends, co-workers, neighbors, and people around you. So not random people, but people around you. So come, train, have a discussion, practice. So inshallah, you can also share the message of Islam, and then results are in the hands of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Second thing, we also need help with volunteers and proper coaches for the after Shahada program. So reach out if you want to help out. And lastly, when you see a new person in the masjid, welcome them. Please don't jump into correcting them. There has to be a process for it. So just welcome them, perhaps introduce them to us, and not jump in correcting them, inshallah. So with that, come over here. Okay, let's just hold on to this. So he'll just be sharing the Shahada with you all in English first. Okay. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa Allah wa ashhadu anna Muhammad Abdullahi wa rasuluh. Okay. Let's see English too. I testify that there is no God worthy of worship except Allah, and I testify that Muhammad is his servant and final messenger. Okay. Let me start. All right.